everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm kicking off a summer series where I will be showing you 2 to 3 ingredient recipes that are quick, easy, delicious for all those summer days where you don't want to spend all your time in the kitchen. This is going to be fun and I can't wait to show you. Okay, so let's get started on our first recipe. What I'm going to show you today is a box cake mix hack. And I'm going to start with a strawberry supreme cake mix. And this is the 15.25 ounces and it is the Duncan Hines. So I'm going to pour this in my bowl just like this. And I hope everybody's having a great day and enjoying their time. I know it's getting warm outside. And so I hope that you guys enjoy this series as much as I'm going to enjoy putting it together for you guys. Okay, so we have our cake mix. The next ingredient is 1 can of Sprite. It's this simple. So we're going to put our Sprite in and then we're going to mix this really well. Now the Sprite is 12 ounces, so I recommend using the 12-ounce can here. Okay, so once you get it mixed up, it really isn't all that thin. I thought it would be a little bit thinner than this, but it really isn't. So it's cake mix consistency, as you can see, just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to take a 13x9 pan, and you guys stick with me till the end because I'm going to show you how I'm going to serve all the dishes that I'm going to be showing you. And we're just going to pour our cake mix in just like this. Okay, so once we have our cake mixture down in our baking dish just like this, I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. And I'm going to bake this for about 20 or 25 minutes. And now for our second dessert that I'm going to show you how to make, you're going to need 1 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. And we're going to put that in our bowl just like this. And then you're going to need 1 box of vanilla pudding. Now this pudding is 3.4 ounces. So we're going to take that and we're going to put it right into our pineapple mixture. And then you're going to need 1 cup of Cool Whip. Now, this Cool Whip needs to be at room temperature. It doesn't need to be frozen. So we're going to put that right in, and I'm going to measure this real quick since I didn't measure it. And our strawberry cake is in the oven. It has about 6 minutes, and I can't wait to show you what that's going to look like. So you'll want to stick around for that. But while I'm putting this together, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, liked it, commented, please do so. I love hearing from you all. You guys have really been absolutely wonderful, and I love it. Okay, so I've got that in there, and we're just going to take our whisk, and we're going to whisk this together really well and blend the Cool Whip in really good. And then what I'm going to do with this is we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. We're going to cover it, and then I'm going to show you how, in just a minute, how I'm going to serve this to my company and my family for the summer. Okay, our cake's out of the oven, and I sliced it and had a little piece. I had to taste it. This is how I'm going to serve mine. Now, you can make this in a Bundt pan and put a glaze over it and serve it just like that. But I am going to make mine little bitty squares. I'm just going to cut these in little squares, put them down in a cup just like this. And I am going to take some strawberries that are cut up and some Cool Whip. And I'm just going to put that in there like that. I'm going to do another layer just like that. Now, this is a fabulous little strawberry shortcake that really will impress your family and your guests. And this is so fun and so easy, you guys. Just take a little bit of Cool Whip here, just like that. Top it with a strawberry. And you've got a great, I mean, fabulous little dessert in no time. It literally took this cake 22 minutes to bake in this 13 by 9 pan. Now for our pudding, I've let it set, and it's going to be this consistency, a pudding consistency, and I'm going to do almost the same thing. I'm going to put it in a little cup, put some Cool Whip on it, and top it with a cherry. Okay, you guys, these literally took minutes, and I hope that you will try them and enjoy my new summer series, because there's more to come like this. It's simple, easy, fast. First of all, check out my Amazon links below. I have some of my favorite things down there. You might just want to check them out. There's stuff I use in my kitchen. But first, y'all go share the love and tell somebody you love them. I'll see you next time. Bye.